In the ever-evolving world of PC hardware, the Gigabyte Z890 UD Wi-Fi6E motherboard has garnered significant attention. But does it truly deliver on its promises? Stick around as we delve into its features, and we'll also uncover some surprising downsides you might want to consider. The Gigabyte UD boasts a sleek, matte black finish, exuding a minimalist yet robust aesthetic. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, making it a versatile choice for various builds. One of its standout features is the support for Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, ensuring top-tier performance for both gaming and professional tasks. The inclusion of DDR5 memory support with overclocking capabilities up to 8800 MTS offers users the flexibility to push their systems to new heights. Storage options are ample, with 3 M.2 slots, including one PCIe 5.0x4 slot, facilitating rapid data transfer speeds and quick boot times. The motherboard also features Gigabyte's easy latch mechanism, simplifying the installation and removal of components, a boon for DIY enthusiasts. However, it's worth noting that while the motherboard offers a comprehensive feature set, it lacks some of the premium touches found in higher-end models, such as the integrated RGB lighting and advanced cooling solutions. Priced at approximately $210, it presents a compelling value proposition for those seeking a balance between performance and cost. For the latest offers and more detailed information, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: lacks integrated RGB lighting, limited advanced cooling solutions, absence of Wi-Fi 7 support. Pros: supports latest Intel Core Ultra processors, DDR5 memory support with high overclocking potential, multiple high-speed M.2 slots, user-friendly installation features, competitive pricing. If you're in the market for a reliable motherboard that balances performance and affordability, the Gigabyte UD Wi-Fi6E is worth considering. Don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.